Hello friend, my planner and journal friends, welcome back. Today we have a very special edition box that I wanna to show you. This box is called Her Story Blooms. It's a special edition journal box to honor the Black History Month. We have a very diverse customer groups and community. So my goal is to highlight different community. And this month we are going to highlight the Black History Month. So we feature this special journal box, and we will also slowly roll out special edition for other communities as well. Today, let's take a look at the Her Story Bloom. First of all, I want to thank all my Black customers. You have been a huge supporter from day one for my drawing, my design, and I'm really grateful. I'm really honored to be able to create a design to honor this community, and a portion of this profit from this box will be donated to a nonprofit organization called Black Girl Smiles. It's a nonprofit that will help the mental health in the Black girl community. So when the product launch, you can find it on the product page where all the details about this organization and how are we going to donate. So let's take a look at this Her Story Blooms. I really love this, like just from this box itself. It's very thick, high quality box that you can, it's very high-end looking, pretty thick and heavy. So I just want to make sure that we produce the best quality product for our customers. So this box include, as you can see from here, I open them because it's easier to showcase after I open. So we feature one PET tape, Her Bloom. We have four washi tapes. We have one affirmation set of 12 affirmation cards. We have, I think, 4x6 notepads. You can journal or jot down your daily notes. We have a journaling kit that features different variety of stickers and papers. And then we have a notebook, beautiful notebook that has gold foil in it. It's a pretty well-rounded box that pretty much have everything you need. And let's take a look of each individual one of them. So as you know, I like to create collection. The collection that around this is, as you can tell, is a earthy, mature floral with the girls, and the color palette is very mature and earthy with some gold in between. That's the color palette. We feature 12 affirmation cards. So the cards you can put in your journal, put in your wallet, or anywhere that you can see. It's a place where you can feel inspired. Let's take a look at all of them. I carry generations of grace. It's a beautiful girl doing violin. Every card, the back is the same. It's this like kind of our signature girls and with the collection name. We are the flowers of their dreams. Very powerful. This one, peace blooms when I honor my story. My growth is a celebration. I give myself grace to grow. Some of the card, we also have the gold foil on the card as well. So it's really luxury feeling. I'm rooted in strength. My light cannot be dimmed. I bloom so others can too. I'm becoming everything I was meant to be. So powerful. I am both the seed and the sunlight. This is also another gold foil. The garden of sisterhood never fades. I love this one because our community, we all support each other. It's really a sisterhood. We all can survive and we all can thrive from helping each other. I shine from roots to crown. So So very powerful. 12 of those affirmation cards. And then this is a notepad. Like I said, I don't really remember how many pages. I think maybe 80 pages or 60, but it's just very simple. We didn't feature any art or anything, just like very elegant daily bloom design for you to jot down your thoughts, your important to-dos, your actual notes, and every single day you can continue use as like something handy by your desk. So that's a notepad. And then we have washi. So as a planner and journaler, we must use lots of washi. So this is one 10 millimeter, feature this like gold glitter texture. This one is floral, since this is called like herbloom. And I think washi is great for like background or something to complement the girls. So we feature flower to bloom. As you can see from here, is a abstract floral pattern. This one is great, another great one for background. That's why I love to design collection, because then you can have everything you need within one collection, to just like you don't have to go look for anything else, right? So as you can see, this is like a earthy green color with a gold foil and some cream color on top. Beautiful background, or as a like some sort of divider or separator. Then we have another floral, but it's in this like brown color background, still very beautiful. It has some gold foil texture too. That's why I love those washes. They can make your journal really creative with all these background options. So there's 4 washi and then a PET. So I'm gonna do the journal kit first, because the design is similar as a PET, because the reason we do PET is give you more option of stickers that you never run out of it. So we'll take a look at the journal kit. And also I think that the PET tape is a great addition for more sticker, because we have like kind of added more paper, those type of things. So maybe not enough sticker for you. That's why the PET comes. So Herbloom journal kit. The first 5 pages are functional paper stickers. If you are my loyal customer, you know that I always have paper functional stuff that we can write down our to-do, right? So we have some beautiful girls here. We have your typical like functional boxes, washi strips. This one too, we have the girl in the garden. She is praying or meditating. Some bullet dots, headers, and boxes. This one is more like label, work, goal, appointments, some more dots that you can make to do. Here is some dates, like you can put on your planner or journal, and then Sunday to Saturday. This page is for if you need extra, you need to make some words, make some affirmation, you can use this one. Next 4 pages are the clear stickers. So this is not paper, it's PVC, it's called PVC. So it's clear, you can put more places than paper. I think even like if you make cars, you put on your computer or laptop or phone, you can do that. Unapologetically growing, plants and floral. Beautiful girls are here. Rooted in strength, blooming in grace. So very inspirational quotes and powerful quotes too. What are the Bible wisdom? And then her story is still unfolding. Love this one. And I love this, like the leaves. They have like the beautiful curves. Girls ballet. Love the elegant in this collection. So there's 4 clear sticker sheets. Then we have 2 washi paper, even though we have the washi here, but we'll give you more option. It's like a additional washi. Her story blooms. I just love the washi texture in the paper. It's transparent, easy to remove, to do stuff with. So you have additional 2 sheets of washi. And then those are vellum paper, perfect to do some crafts with the vellum paper. We have the pattern floral, the gold shiny shimmer texture. This is a combination. This is a one. Actually, it's included 2, but I think it's just additional one from this box. Another vellum, the girl. You know, you can cut it and do some sort of different layout. Another 4 scrapbooking paper. You can journal, you can make a background, however you want to use. You see, very pretty. So that's this journaling kit. I think it's also 19 pages. Yeah, 19 pages journaling kit. Then the last but not least is the notebook. Come with the gold foil, the Garden of Sisterhood Never Fades. That's why I picked this as the title, because it's my favorite quote. Really, just like the floral, like the flowers, we can't bloom by ourselves. We have to bloom together in a garden, or wildflower, but they all bloom together. So this is the cover front with the gold foil here. This is the back. We have customer mention like from our survey, they do not like the barcode, so we're going to work towards to like down the road in the future we'll have the barcode on the like the plastic wrap or something that's removable, so it's not on the cover. And then when you open the first page, Legacy in Full Bloom, right? And this is the first page, like where the inside is, which date is it, which is Sunday to Saturday. And then it feature, I think it's 100 GSM or 90, not sure. Been a couple months since we finished the design, but it writes smoothly. The paper feel really buttery and smooth, so you can use for your work, for your diary, for your school, and pretty thick. As you can see, it's pretty thick. And that's the back. So very luxury feel. So that's what this box has. And we'll take a look at the PET tape. Legacy in Full Bloom. As you can see, it features similar PET stickers from the journal kit, but way more of it, right? There's a smaller one, bigger one, more variety, different size. So this is a 5 meter long, 1.6 meter repeat. Starting this year, we are doing mostly PET is 3.0, give you more variety to choose from. As you can see, it's pretty long. I think we started from here. So it's 1.6 repeat. There's like 3 of them in this row. Give you lots of options. That's the PET tape, 4 washi, 1 journal kit, 1 notebook, 1 notepad, and 1 set of 12 affirmation. Really, really love this box. Give me total luxury feel, something really special that we release to honor the Black girl community. Portion of the profit from this box will also be donated to the Black Girl Smiles. As we are a small business, and I'm continue to do better to keep going on this mission to highlight different community, diversity, inclusivity through our design and our releases. So I just want to say thank you for everyone that is supporting us. We will continue to do better, to improve, to highlight different communities throughout our design. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to know more about this box we will release soon. Probably check the caption below to know more about this information, like when are we launching it and all the details. Thank you everyone. I can't wait to talk to you soon.